big changes have already started happening in Bengal. So come, read with me. Can changing a government also change the way welfare schemes are delivered? Well, in West Bengal, the new BJP government has already started making big administrative changes, and that's creating both expectations as well as controversy. After BJP formed its first government in West Bengal, Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari announced major administrative changes. The new government has decided to transfer land to BSF, Border Security Force, for border fencing along the Bangladesh border. Second, it has started implementing major central government welfare schemes in the state. Third, and making changes in the ministerial departments as well. This is important because West Bengal shares a long and sensitive border with Bangladesh, making security, migration and border management major issues. At the same time, political tensions continue in the state with reports of clashes and vandalism involving party workers. Now, for many years, West Bengal was ruled by TMC. And during this rule, there were very frequent state-center conflicts, delays or disputes over implementation of some central schemes, disagreements over border security issues. But now that BJP is in power in both center and state, coordination is expected to become smoother. Now, major decisions have been taken. The first is the rollout of central schemes. The new government says it will fully implement major central welfare schemes like housing schemes, farmer welfare schemes, other social welfare programs. Now, why this is important? Because direct benefit delivery may improve governance efficiency, could reduce political friction over branding and fund sharing. Second is the border security push. Now, government has decided to transfer land to BSF for fencing. Why? Because West Bengal has porous Bangladesh border. Issues include illegal migration, smuggling, security concerns. This may strengthen border management. Third, administrative reshuffle. Cabinet portfolios have been allocated and bureaucratic changes are happening, including appointment of senior officials. This is normal after a regime change, but politically significant in Bengal. Now, what is the political controversy? The article also mentions vandalism, political clashes after elections. This shows that despite elections result, political tensions remain high. This raises concerns about political violence, democratic tolerance, law and order in post-election state. There are multiple angles, multiple dimensions of this. First is the governance angle. Second is the security angle. Third is the welfare angle. Fourth is the political angle, and then federalism angle. What are the challenges new government may face? Are resistance from opposition, administrative transition issues, maintaining peace amid political rivalry, and ensuring schemes are implemented effectively, not just announced. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2, polity and governance, and GS paper 3, internal security, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.